Connecting Arizona. Live from the 12 News studios at 200 East Van Buren. This is 12 News Weekend Today.
We are a little over a month away from a day that a lot of us dread. Tax Day is April 15th. Here are some tips in case you're still working on your taxes. A certified public accountant, F Hockensmith. All right, so tell me first of all about e-filing, how popular it's become, and is it the right way to go?
Well, actually, if you're a professional preparer such as myself and you do more than 10 tax returns a year, you have to e-file this year. It's a requirement now. Okay. So most of the in fact, all the professional preparers are out there e-filing because it's a requirement. It's really good. The e-filing is good because it actually gets your refund back faster. In as little as 7 days, you can actually get your tax refund back.
And we're just talking about filing all over the internet.
Correct. You basically file through the internet. And there's a couple of tax returns that have to be filed by paper. Like if you adopt a child, you cannot e-file. You have to send it by paper. Or if you do a corporate tax return for the state of Arizona, you have to send it in paper. You can't e-file. But most other returns now are e-filed. And, you know, it gets the refund back faster. It also tells you whether it's been accepted by the IRS, so you don't have to wonder, did they get it? And they send you a letter later saying that you're late. And you go, no, I sent it. And you go back and forth. Now you can be guaranteed that it was received by the IRS.
Okay. There are some name changes to also mention.
Absolutely. You get divorced, you get married, you adopt. You have to make sure that the name with the Social Security Administration is the same name on file with the Internal Revenue Service. Frequently, I'll be doing tax returns for a couple, and what we'll find is that the spouse did not change her name when she got married with the Social Security Administration. So we file a tax return with the married name. We find out that it's not accepted because she didn't make that name change.
Okay. And also there's a change when it comes to divorced parents and claiming kids.
Absolutely. Obviously, we have a situation where we have two parents, maybe one child. You know, there's a debate over who gets to take that child on the tax return. Usually state law takes effect and you have to decide what it says in the divorce decree or, you know, the separation agreement. But if you both try to take the child on the tax return, it will get bounced. And the first one who takes it and gets it into the IRS is the one who will be the winner. And then when the second one tries to take it, you'll get a rejection notice or it'll get bounced back and it becomes a real big headache.
Okay.
So make sure that only one child is used on the tax return.
All right. And is it true you're going to offer free financial services to Peyton Manning if he comes here?
Absolutely.
All right. Good. Good to hear. All right. Listen, Bob, thank you so much. If you want to get a hold of Bob and find out more about the services he offers, you can give his office a call there at 602-264-9331.